Question 14c asks us to work out a possible number with 3 decimal places that is in the shaded area. This relates to the beginning of question 4, where we know we have a 3 decimal place number. In circle A, it rounds to 0.7 to 1 decimal place. Circle B, it rounds to 0.75, and in the bit that overlaps, it must have both of those criteria met. To appear only in the section marked with B, we need a number that will round to only 0.75 2 decimal places and something different when rounded to 1 decimal place. If we choose a value which is actually smaller than 0.75, so for example 0.749, while this does round to 0.75, it would also round to 0.7, and that would appear in the this section in the middle, which is not great. It's not part of circle B anymore. If we take the next number above this, however, 0.750, this has 3 decimal places, and it would round to 0.8 to 1 decimal place, so therefore does not appear inside any part of circle A. Likewise, we need to also find potentially a number that would still round to 0.75 but could be bigger. Now the largest number that would still round to 0.75 to 2 decimal places would have to be 0.754. If you went to 0.755, that would round up to 0.76. So any number in that range would work. So for example, 0.751 would be a suitable answer, as it rounds to 0.75 to 2 decimal places and not to 0.7. Question 14d asks us to work out a possible number with 3 decimal places that is in the shaded area outside both circles. Now we already know that the largest value inside circle B is 0.755, so therefore we know that any number which is greater than 0.755 would work perfectly. To 2 decimal places, this is already 0.76, and that's way bigger than 0.7, so 0.8. So we can choose any number that we want, which is greater than 0.755, but it could also be something which is too small to round to 0.7. So what we're looking for then is any number which is under the smallest value for 0.7 to 1 decimal place. Then we would be looking at 0. Now to get to 0.7 to 1 decimal place, 65 is the highest, so if we have any number from 649 or below, that would also work. So it says to work out just a possible value, any number you can pick outside that range. So for example 0.811, it's bigger than 0.8755 and would work